What are you saying? Which arm of the army were you from? Major Janjua, which arm of the army were you from, sir? If I may ask.
Oh, really?
Clerical
Really?
part of the army.
So
I'm asking you which arm. I'm asking you your arm, sir. I want to say something to Major Janjua. I want to say something to Major Janjua. If Major Janjua, you'll give me 30 seconds. Sir, you were speaking and I was not interrupting. Your knowledge is dodgy, but your physical fitness is suspect. You know, when I see you, I don't see an army officer. Your physical fitness is suspect. You know, and your knowledge is dodgy. I mean, you've been saying things that only a drug-addled mind would say, sir. You're saying stuff like, we have won all the wars against India. How did Bangladesh come into being? Weren't you thrown out from Kargil? Weren't you pushed back from Akhnur in 1965? What are you saying? Which arm of the army were you from? Major Janjua, which arm of the army were you from, sir? If I may ask.
Oh, really?
Clerical
Really?
part of the army.
So
I'm asking you which arm. I'm asking you your arm, sir. Please state your regiment.
I am not
with pride.
only-
What is your regiment?
Okay.
Which regiment are you from?
I am from the Sherdil regiment that is giving you nightmares even today. Right?
Sir, please don't speak in
question
code
is,
names.
Gaurav
Tell me,
Arya,
are you from the
why did
infantry?
you-
Are you from the infantry?
Gaurav, why did you
Are you from the infantry,
abscond?
sir?
Why did
Are
you abscond on medical grounds? Why did you abscond on the medical grounds?
Listen. You look like a halwai. Look at your face. You say you're an army officer. You look like a halwai. You're fat. You've got triple chins here. शर्म करो थोड़ी सी मेजर साहब. शर्म करो. हलवाई लगते हो शक्ल से. आप लगते हो फौजी. मैं तमीज से बात कर रहा हूँ. आपको अगर हजम नहीं होता look at yourself. कुर्ता पहन के ऐसे कढ़ाई में कचौड़ियां तल रहे हो यार. Look at this face. Look at his cheeks. They are coming out of the frame. Look at his double chin and triple chin. Look at his tummy.
So is this your argument?
You're fat
Is this
and
your
useless.
argument?
No,
We
this is
came
my
here
argument
to
because
discuss.
you're not an army officer.
Discuss
Listen,
that you
listen,
could not even detect
Major
the
Janjua,
drones.
no.
Your air defense system.
Major
All right, let's come back on the debate.
Pathetic.
Listen, I
And
just
this is
want to
what
tell
you
you
have to
something.
talk about.
If you get personal, I'll take off your trousers.
Come on, Shiva is also on the debate right now. Come on, let's talk about personal. No personal comments on the debate.
I'll
Gaurav
take
let's
off
hit
your
them on the
trousers.
facts, please. No, let's speak on the facts.
Yeah.
Sir, listen.
No personal comments, Gaurav.
Don't say
Not
that
necessary.
medical grounds are-
Not necessary. Remind them of what we did after Pulwama. Remind them of what we did after Pulwama, but we don't need to make personal attacks. Gaurav Arya, you can debate with Kamal
Yeah.
Chima because clearly Major Janjua
Yeah.
cannot take you on. And I want to remind No,
Okay.
one second. I want to just remind the Pakistanis of their history. It is important that you learn. Just they don't have much of a history, I understand, but you know.
Why
You
you
know.
Remind us
There
of
you
your
go.
history.
I'm asking
How
Kamal
much did
Chima.
you
Kamal-
get?
History. I want to mention something about history, Arnab, if you permit. History. Pakistan's history I want to mention. In 1965, Pakistan fed the churan to its own soldiers that one Pakistani Muslim soldier is equal to 10 Hindu Indian soldiers. इन्होंने बोला कि एक पाकिस्तानी फौजी जो है वो 10 हिंदू सैनिकों के बराबर है. ये घुसाए अंदर. इनको वहां पे जाट मिल गए. जाटों ने ऐसा रगड़ाया मार के जाटों ने इनका तुम्बा बना दिया. ठीक है. ये अपने को झूठ बोलते हैं लोगों को. हम ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे. They have been shamed so many times. They have been shamed. Just look at what Major Janjua is saying. You have not won a single war. Sir, if we have not won a single war, why does Major Janjua need a visa to go to Bangladesh? Tell me this. Why does Major Janjua need why do you need a visa? Why do you need a visa to go to Bangladesh? Tell me this. बांग्लादेश जाने के लिए वीजा क्यों चाहिए मेजर साहब, ये बताइए पहले.
And you don't need a visa to go to Kashmir,
No.
and you still can't go there. This is what your state of
Why?
affairs is. You put
I went there last
800,000
month.
troops there.
I went there last month. I
You
was there last
put
month.
800,000
What
there.
are you talking? What are you saying? Major Janjua, you're shaming the Pakistani army. Major Janjua, you're shaming the Pakistani army. Major Janjua, you're shaming
No, one minute.
people.
I'm coming in again, and I feel, Gaurav, that the point that you made there. 1 minute, Gaurav, 1 minute. You see the point made there. The point you made that they have communalized everything. They have communalized their army.
Absolutely.
Well, when you said that, in the Indian army, we have secular traditions. They have communalized everything. Now, 1 minute. Now, Kamar, please. The moment I spoke to you, the electricity went off in Pakistan. 1 minute. Okay, it's back. Now listen to me. Listen to me, Kamar. Listen to me, Kamar. Kamar, 1 minute. Kamar, listen to me. Kamar, don't be anxious. Sometimes when I look at you,
I'm not speaking yet.
I only see. I don't see you. I see anxiety. I see worry. And I see that hidden anger. You know when you after all recently.
You have no answer.
Why do you invite people like Gaurav Arya and Tariq Fateh?
Who Praveen Swami? Who? I don't know these people. You want me to invite people? You think Pakistanis will decide who I invite? You think Pakistanis will decide who I invite?
Arnab,
No, 1 minute.
Because he is the senior element in the Indian.
Arnab, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, Arnab, 10 seconds.
Gaurav and Kamar Chima is still not speaking.
10 seconds. Major Janjua,
Praveen Swani
I want to tell Major Janjua something. Hold on, listen to me.
He's a complete idiot.
Okay, I'll tell you. Major Janjua, let me tell you something. You say who invited Gaurav Arya? Gaurav Arya is the senior consulting editor of Republic Media Network. We have invited you. You don't invite me. This is my channel. I work here. All right. So don't tell us who to invite, who not to invite. I'm the senior consulting editor, strategic affairs of the Republic Media Network.
And let me one more. Just a minute. One minute. Major Janjua, 1 minute. Major Janjua, 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute, Major Janjua. Major Janjua, 1 minute. आपको एक बात बताओ. Let's talk decently. You know, my friend Gaurav and I, we were together in college. We know the finest traditions of debating. We are from Delhi University. We are almost batchmates from college. So he doesn't need to invite me. I don't need to invite him. We are friends, brothers, and nationalists. We're going to teach you a lesson. Now, look at Gaurav. You know, when we were in college, remember when we used to debate, we used to look at the other side and we used to say, Gaurav, look at the other side's body language. They've lost before they start the debate. Look at Kamar tonight. Kamar is lost. He doesn't know what to say. He's thinking what you're going to ask him. I know. He's thinking, what if Arnab asks me, why did we go begging to the World Bank for $800 million? Well, because you're a country of beggars. It's an unfortunate reality. You went begging. Kamar, I am calling you on Indian television. I'm calling you. Kamar's video is also frozen. They don't have bandwidth. They don't have electricity. Now, Mona, what do I do? You're a country. I'm making a serious point. You're a country of beggars who went begging to the World Bank on the 30th of June for $800 million.
Quietly listening.
No, Mona, let me complete. You can tell me I'm factually wrong. Mona, my counter to you. 1 minute. No, 1 second. Now, my question is, did you or did you not tell China that please, we need 1 more year to pay you back what we owe? After that, did you not go to the World Bank saying we have to pay China? Now you need to give us money so we can pay China $800 million. Did you or did you not do that, Mona? Do you understand? Did you or did you not do that?
China and Pakistan are your bad dream. They come in your dreams all the time.
Mona,
we don't need to understand this thing.
It's an ally. It's an all-weather friend. We may ask them anything. China is an all-weather friend. We may ask them anything for anything at all. I mean, this is our business with them. Who are you?
लाहौर का एयरपोर्ट, कराची का एयरपोर्ट, इस्लामाबाद का एयरपोर्ट, मुल्तान का एयरपोर्ट, सारे मोटरवेज, चाइना. ये कैसा बिरादर मुल्क है? ये कैसे भाई हैं जो पूरा मुल्क अब तक खा गए?
आपका घर तो नहीं रखा?
आपका सुनिए, हमारा हम गिरवी रखने वाली वो नहीं है हम लोग. नहीं, आपका रख दिया ना मोना जी, आपका घर रख दिया ना गिरवी. आपका सुनिए एक मिनट नहीं सुनिए, हमारे एक में मोना जी एक बात बताता हूँ. हमारे लाखों नहीं, हमारे करोड़ों सोते हो सड़कों पे, लेकिन हमने अपना मुल्क गिरवी नहीं रखा. हमने भीख नहीं मांगा. हमारे करोड़ों सोते हो सड़कों पे, करोड़ों भूखे सोते हो मोना जी, लेकिन हम लोगों ने अपना मुल्क जो है गिरवी नहीं रखा. हमारा दिल्ली का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी नहीं है, आपके इस्लामाबाद का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है. ये जाके देखिए, हमें मत सिखाइएगा. आप लोग अरे सुनिए, वेजिटेबल वेंडर सुनिए. मोना जी, आपका एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है कि नहीं है? आपका जो F9 का पार्क है वो गिरवी है कि नहीं है? मुल्तान का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है कि नहीं है? लाहौर फैसलाबाद का मोटरवे गिर रही है कि नहीं है?
Okay, Sanju Verma will
की
respond.
बिल्डिंग गिर रही है कि नहीं है? गिर रही है कि नहीं है?
Sanju.
गिर रही है कि नहीं है? अगर मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूं
Now we know your
But
words.
how was
We
the
know
food?
all
You
what
surrendered.
are doing it. Stop it now. It's not the time to do.
How
Let
was
me
the
tell you,
food? ये तो
the
बताएं
time
ना.
is
No, you
gone.
have to share with us.
Pakistan military
I've
is
lost.
now very professional. We have shown you how we could finish
Brigadier
terrorism in
Saab,
Pakistan.
Professional.
What all problems you are
बातों से
creating.
नहीं
We don't allow
मानते.
anyone else now.
इन्होंने
Don't
लगता
act like a
चाहिए,
fool.
लगता.
I know you very well.
You don't understand decency and particularly
Okay.
adab.
You need this language. This gentleman need this language. You
ब्रिगेडियर
laughing
साहब, ये
here.
लातों की
I should know what are the
फुटपाथों से नहीं
manners.
मानते. इनको decent
What is
तरीके से
that?
नहीं.
Jail की.
जरा
ला-
और
लातों
Still in
के
his
भूत
jail
बात को
uniform.
ये नहीं मानते हैं. बातों के भूत नाचों से
अच्छा.
मानते हैं. He should understand. And he, by the way, the
Who's
Muslim.
there?
की हो रहा है जैसे तमाशा हो रहा
Yeah.
है.
It
हाँ?
is तमाशा.
और
He
क्या
should know
आप क्या
how to
आसमान से
generate
उतरे?
discussion. He doesn't know how to
Let other
generate a
people
discussion.
talk.
This is not the way. You want to talk
What
logic.
way is
Why
up to
should
your
you-
way?
Why Pakistan should have run? Where are your air alert system? And then of course why Pakistan should send across the drones? What for purpose?
Harris Awaz, I'm told that.
I can't understand what language is he speaking in.
Islamism want peace.
What language are you speaking in, sir? समझ नहीं आ
You know what
रही.
language I'm speaking. You deserve this language.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, think about
क्यों?
it.
I mean,
But what I'm talking
no,
about
please
is, please
share with us.
Don't mislead
This
your
peculiar
people.
language is
Don't
very
mislead your
interesting.
people. My language
Mislead-
is meant for you only, not for anybody else. Okay?
No.
The point is why Pakistan should talk. Let's move on to the topic. Why Pakistan
You
should
are
send
worried with
drones to
Mufti
India
Bahini.
when we are talking about peace? You could not drop. Where the debris of those drones? Do you know where they've fallen? You don't have. And what is the purpose? We want peace. My Prime Minister, Chief Minister said many times, we want peace, and we are having a ceasefire. And you are talking about provocation. You always say the drama when you have economic problem, you have got an internal problem, you've got a COVID-19 problem, you have a Kashmir problem, you blame Pakistan.
Why are you getting so angry?
Please change your habits. Change your this state.
No.
Everybody knows and the whole
Hey,
world knows.
why
Okay,
are you
so-
so angry?
He's
I'm
angry
only
because,
because-
if I may, Tariq Fateh, I think I have been extremely unfair. He suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder of some kind, which I must empathize with you because
You always
because you were
Pakistanis.
no wrong. You were part of the surrendered Pakistan army. There's no shame. Gaurav Arya, there is no shame. He must say so. He must say so. He must talk from experience.
Talk now.
But I'll tell you why he can't say so.
Forward army.
He was sent there.
Your people are
All
not
of these
happy.
Pakistanis were
Talk
sent
about
there
it.
to
Talk about it.
change the very
Then I
nature
know
of
Jan
Bengali
Basi what he
people.
said. I remember Jan
They
Basi
said in
words
one
when he said
generation we will
that
change
we-
the very
our soldiers didn't have
outlook
chappals, they didn't have
and
shoes,
genetic order
they
of the
didn't have
Bengali
weapons,
people.
And he was talking,
They taught you a lesson.
I can tell
मुंह
you the
की
clip of
खानी
Jan
पड़ी.
Basi. So I think
हाँ.
मुंह की खानी आपको पड़ी.
Yeah.
I know what is your word.
अरे सर
That's
मुक्ति
what
वाहिनी से
like
क्यों
this.
डरते हो? मैं खुद था.
Mukti
I'm a
Bahini
Mukti Bahini.
1,000 kilometers away. Now come to Pakistan. We'll tell you, teach you a lesson.
Yeah, why?
And you
That
know
is,
army
it is Bangladesh that made Pakistan, not you. In Punjab, you were sitting making Pakistan.
Now you know it. Don't
Oh, come on, you're a British army. You take orders from Queen Victoria. You have a Karai ki army, bhai. Whoever pays the money, you follow.
What happened to you?
You are literally,
try to do it.
you literally
Now,
an army that works for those who pay you money.
All right, now 10:31 p.m. and I want to come back in it. Gaurav Arya is on the debate with Mona Alam and Kamar Chima.